Good morning everyone, this is Samasudha and today we are going to do the comprehension part of the poem From a Railway Carriage from the book New Oxford Modern English Class 4. Okay, so चैप्टर को पूरा समझने के लिए वीडियो को अंत तक देखें और वीडियो थोड़ा भी पसंद है तो लाइक जरूर करें। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। Comprehension number 1. Answer the following questions. A. What are some of the things that can be seen from the train window? ऐसा कौन सी चीज है जो कि ट्रेन विंडो से देखा जा सकता है? इसका आंसर है ब्रिजेस, हाउसेस, हेजेस, बीचेस, मीडोज, हॉर्सेस, कैटल्स, हिल्स, प्लेन, पेंटेड स्टेशंस, a child, a tramp, a cart, a man and a river can be seen from the railway carriage. B. Are the stations really whistling by? The train is whistling by the stations are standing still. जो स्टेशन है वो व्हिसल नहीं करता है, ट्रेन जो है वो व्हिसल करता है जब हम स्टेशन के पास पहुंचते हैं और स्टेशन वहीं पे ही रहता है। See, what does a tramp mean? A tramp is a person who travels from place to place on foot in search of work as a beggar. D. What does brambles mean? Brambles are prickly shrubs, especially blackberry shrubs. To gather brambles is to pick blackberries. Okay. These questions are more difficult. Discuss them first. E. How does the poet make us feel as if we are really traveling in a train? The rhythm of the poem is fast moving, just like a train running at high speed. Okay, we are skipping this F number. So, come to number 2. Answer the questions about these lines from the poem. Lumping along this with man and load. A. What is lumping along? A cart is lumping alone. B. Why is it lumping? What does the word lumping tells us? It is lumping because it is carrying heavy load. The word lumping means to walk with heavy steps. C. Where is this scene from? The scene is seen from the window of a train. D. What is the similarity between this scene and all the other described in the poem? All the scenes are similar because they all are moving very fast. Okay, then working with words. Number 1. Make a list of all words in the poem that describe movements. So here is the answer. Faster, charging along, throw, fly, driving, wink, whistle by, climbing, scrambles, gathering, steering, run away, lumping alone, gone. These are the words in the poem that describe movements. Then number 2. Make another list of words that describe sound. Battle, driving rain, whistle, lumping. Okay. Then number 3. Write the full form of the following abbreviations and use them in the sentence of your own. MRS. इसको मिस्ट्रेस बोलते हैं. Mrs. Goel is going to the market. Then W is west. The sun sets in west. Mr. Hamid is going to office. S is for south. I want to go south for the winter. Then CC means carbon copy. Rima is the carbon copy of her mother. Then N stands for north. The bus was heading north. Then B.C before Christ. He died at age 80 in 480 before Christ, BC. Then kg, kilogram. Rohit bought 5 kg of sugar. AD, Anno Domino. In AD 79, the city of Pompeii was buried under the layer of ash 7 meters deep. Then IN. IN stands for inch. The baby girl is 20 inch long. E stands for east. The sun rises in the east. Then M, meter. Rihanna can run up to 200 meters. Okay. Then number 4. See if you can fill in the blanks in the following. The first has done for you. England, English. So India, Hindi. Or Indian, we can say Indian. Spain, Spanish. Burma, Burman. Australia, Australian. France, French. Iraq, Iraqi. Italy, Italian. China, Chinese. Japan, Japanese. Then Pakistan, Pakistani. Africa, African. Germany, German. America, American. Okay. So then number 5. Write the singular of these nouns. इसको ये प्लूरल फॉर्म में दिया है, इसको हमें सिंगुलर नाउन लिखना है. जैसे कि लिप्स का लिप लिखा, उल्फ्स का उल्फ WOLF. Then harps का harp HALF harp. Children का child CHILD child. Slips का slip SLIP. Selves का self self. Lives का life. Calves का calf. Then women का woman WAN women. Okay. Then learning about language. Pronouns means pronouns उसको बोलते हैं जो noun की जगह में यूज होता है. Okay. Underline all the nouns in the following sentence about John and Earth. Number 8. She lived in France many years ago. She is the pronoun here. One day another country attacked her beloved France. Her is the pronoun here. The soldiers came and burned its villager. John met the general. She asked him. He is also pronoun for a horse. Then she rode it into battle. She beat the army which was attacking them. Unfortunately, many people died not like her. They thought she was a witch. Okay. Then number 2 adverbs. Adverbs means जो शब्द मतलब जो the word verb को और जगह डिस्क्राइब करता है उसको एडवर्ब बोला जाता है. Underline all the adverbs in the following sentence. Lakshmi walked slowly down the street towards the river. से put ये जो walk है ये verb है, verb को और अच्छे से डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है, मतलब कैसे चल रही है, slowly चल रही है, तो ये एडवर्ब हुआ. वैसे ही she put her feet into the swiftly running water. Oh, she said aloud. Aloud is also adverb. It is very cold. Suddenly she heard someone shouting loudly down the river. She ran quickly along the path. Okay. Then prepositions. Prepositions का मतलब होता है कौन सी जगह कहाँ पे है, ये exact location बताता है. Number 3. Put in suitable prepositions in the blanks in the following sentence. A. It was very cold and Maya was asleep on bed. Suddenly she heard a song in the room of hers. She jumped out bed and ran down the stairs. Stairs के नीचे आ गई. In the corner of the room was a huge snack. The snack turned and hissed at her. She picked up उठाना a stick and threw it at the snack. Snack के ऊपर फेंका उसे. Okay. So this is the solved question answer and short questions of the poem from a railway carriage. Okay. So that's all for today. I hope you all like it. Share this video and make sure to subscribe to my channel and also comment down below to let me know that you get it clearly. That's all for today. I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Have a nice day.